Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best heavy bag holder is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any home gym or fitness enthusiast looking to maximize their training space and ensure the safety and stability of their punching bag, offering a robust and reliable solution for mounting your bag securely. Whether you're a seasoned boxer perfecting your technique or a beginner starting your fitness journey, this holder is designed to withstand intense workouts and provide a consistent training experience. Number 5. Eapele Heavy Bag Hanger. Introducing the Eapele Heavy Bag Hanger, designed for ultimate safety and stability. It's constructed from high-grade, corrosion-resistant iron, capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Experience a superior workout with its specially made nylon bushing. This ensures your equipment swivels silently and smoothly, enhancing your training. Get set up in minutes. The hanger comes with all necessary hardware for wood beams, making installation a breeze. You'll be ready to go in just 5 minutes. This hanger isn't just for boxing bags. Its universal design makes it perfect for a wide range of activities, including aerial yoga, gym rings, hammocks, and more. Crafted with durability in mind, it's made from high-grade nickel-plated iron. This ensures it remains corrosion-resistant and dependable for all your heavy-duty needs. Whether you're using it for kickboxing, Muay Thai bags, or even porch swings, it provides a reliable and secure mounting solution for any swinging device. What we like. This hanger is built for serious training, supporting up to 1,000 pounds with a smooth, silent swivel. If you have a very heavy bag and want a reliable, easy-to-install mount, this is your go-to option. It's perfect for dedicated boxers or home gyms needing a robust solution. What people say. The heavy bag holder is very sturdy and well-built. It was easy to assemble and mount to the wall. The holder can accommodate bags up to 100 pounds. Number 4. Everlast 2-Station Heavy Bag Stand 4813 BDTC. Introducing the Everlast 2-Station Heavy Bag Stand, Model 4813 BDTC. This versatile stand is designed to enhance your training experience. Please note that plates are not included with your purchase. Constructed with rugged, powder-coated steel tubing, it offers exceptional durability. The powder coating ensures scratch resistance, keeping it looking great through rigorous use. Featuring 3 weight pegs, it provides maximum stability during intense workouts. This ensures a secure and reliable training platform for all your needs. Its height is adjustable to suit your preferences. The speed bag platform is designed to accommodate all sizes of speed bags, offering great versatility. This stand is specifically designed for indoor use to ensure its longevity and performance. It's not recommended for outdoor environments. The dimensions are 47.6 inches wide, 66.5 inches long, and 87 inches high, with a weight limit of 100 pounds. Ensure you have adequate clearance space of 4 foot x 6 feet on the sides and 7 feet 3 inches ceiling height. What we like. This stand offers a dual-station setup with adjustable height, making it incredibly versatile for different users and training styles. If you're looking for a stable, long-lasting stand that can accommodate multiple training needs or users of varying heights, this is an excellent choice for your home gym. What people say. The heavy bag holder is very sturdy and well-built. It was easy to assemble and mount to the wall. The holder can accommodate bags up to 100 pounds. Number 3. Heavy Dootie Bags with Easy Tie Handles. Introducing our heavy-duty bags, designed to be strong and leak-proof. They offer a reliable solution for managing pet waste, ensuring a clean and mess-free experience. These bags are impressively large, with a substantial thickness and capacity. They are perfect for handling waste from large and giant breeds, providing an advantage for all your pet cleanup needs. Equipped with convenient easy tie handles, these bags make disposal simple and secure. The unscented design is perfect for both wet and solid pet cleanup, maintaining hygiene and convenience. Beyond pet waste, these versatile bags are ideal for cat litter, yard waste, and even dirty diapers. Their large size and durable construction make them a great choice for various disposal needs, keeping your surroundings clean. Designed for ease of use, these bags fit perfectly with various scoopers, including swivel bin and go-go stick models. They are a versatile choice for both doggies and kitties, simplifying pet waste cleanup. Our bags come in a handy dispenser box with easy access for quick dispensing. This ensures a hygienic waste disposal process for every pet owner, making cleanup hassle-free. Crafted with cornstarch, these bags offer a strong and reliable option for pet waste. They provide a convenient and eco-conscious solution for your daily cleanup routines. What we like. These bags are designed for ultimate convenience and mess-free cleanup, featuring leak-proof construction and easy tie handles. If you're a pet owner dealing with large breeds or frequent cleanups and want a reliable, hassle-free disposal solution, these are perfect for keeping your space tidy. What people say. The heavy bag holder is very sturdy and well-built. It was easy to assemble and mount to the wall. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space. Number 2. Yes, 4 all stainless steel punching bag hanger. This heavy-duty hanger is built to last, supporting up to 1,000 pounds, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring durability even in tough weather. Experience exceptional flexibility with its innovative 360-degree rotation. This versatile mount is perfect for a wide range of activities and settings, from gyms to playgrounds. Enjoy a smooth and quiet workout thanks to the anti-noise nylon bushing. With occasional lubrication, it guarantees continuous stability and performance for your training sessions. This hanger isn't just for boxing, its applications are endless. It's ideal for yoga swings, hammocks, suspension straps, and even Olympic rings, both indoors and outdoors. Setting it up is a breeze. The package includes all necessary hardware for both wood and concrete installations, allowing you to enjoy its benefits in no time. What we like. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this hanger provides robust support and smooth 360 degrees rotation for all your swinging needs. If you need a durable, weather-resistant mount for both indoor and outdoor use, whether for boxing, yoga swings, or hammocks, this versatile option is ideal. What people say. The heavy bag holder is very sturdy and well-built, capable of holding up to 100 pounds. It was easy to assemble and mount to the wall, taking less than 30 minutes. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space in my home gym. Number 1. Pro Stainless Steel Speed Bag Swivel Kit. This swivel features a universal 4-bolt base, designed to fit all standard speed bag platforms. It can also be mounted directly to wood or concrete ceilings for a secure, rattle-free attachment. Get everything you need for a secure installation with the included 17-piece hardware set. This ready-to-mount solution eliminates extra trips to the hardware store for your home or gym setup. Experience a lightning-fast, predictable rhythm with its smooth 360 degrees ball bearing rotation. The friction-free mechanism allows your bag to swing freely, eliminating lag for optimal training. Easily swap speed bags in seconds without any tools. The quick-release pin allows for seamless transitions between different training drills, keeping your workout flowing. Engineered for years of intense training, this professional swivel is built with heavy-duty stainless steel. Its industrial-grade construction ensures high-impact durability, outperforming standard mounts. What we like. This swivel kit is engineered for speed and durability, featuring a heavy-duty stainless steel build and a quick-change pin for easy bag swaps. If you're a serious boxer who values fast-paced training and wants a professional-grade swivel that's easy to maintain and install, this is the perfect upgrade for your speed bag platform. What people say. The heavy bag holder is very sturdy and well-built. It was easy to assemble and mount to the wall. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.